So welcome back again to another quick update. So right now we are taking long position, and as you can see, we are in demo account, which I'm gonna show you all the strategy that I'm using. So based on the volumes, it is a highly strong bullish, and based to my technical analysis, we can clearly see the market has been turned into higher high and higher low after forming of higher low. So this indicate the market is bullish after the market is open by Monday. So guys, for those who want to trade in Nasdaq, I would suggest to take a long position immediately. But for those who have been late for entry or enter a trade, then I would suggest to wait for another forming of higher low because it is very unpredictable, especially the market is going continuously, and there is a possible the market will form as a higher high and it will goes back to higher low. So guys, be patient for those who didn't enter, and for those who enter before the market form the higher high, it's already making a profit right now.